Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump shocks in hill climb racing 2. Jump shocks are a crucial part for many vehicles, designed to absorb the impact of landings and prevent damage. They give your vehicle an extra bounce, helping you clear larger gaps and obstacles with ease. Mastering their use can significantly improve your race times and overall performance, giving you a competitive edge on the track. Let's dive into the specifics. Knowing when to activate your jump shocks is key. You should deploy them just before hitting a ramp or a steep incline to maximize your airtime. This is especially useful for clearing wide gaps or tricky water hazards that would otherwise slow you down. Strategic deployment also helps you maintain momentum over very bumpy terrain, ensuring a smoother and faster run. Timing is everything for success. For advanced players, combining jump shocks with a well-timed boost can give you maximum airtime, reaching new heights and shortcuts. They are also excellent for recovering from unexpected bad landings, helping to stabilize your vehicle quickly and prevent a crash. I highly recommend practicing these techniques in adventure mode. This allows you to master precise shock activation without the pressure of a race, honing your skills. While powerful, there are common mistakes to avoid. Do not activate your jump shocks too early, as this wastes their valuable effect and leaves you without them when truly needed. Also, avoid using them on very small bumps. This can actually slow you down unnecessarily. Overusing jump shocks can lead to unpredictable landings and a significant loss of control, so use them wisely for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.